Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with REMAX up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this new construction up in Sugarloaf. Come check it out.
Okay, so here we are at 259 Victoria. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 1630 square foot. Beautiful, newer construction. This was rebuilt from a very tiny home long ago. Currently used just as a second home by the owners that just finished it. Property line gonna be somewhere around here on this side. Well, on camera it looks more like this. And so we've got a concrete circular driveway. You can come in. Parking for loads of people, like probably 10 to 12 cars if you wanted to, just because you can come back through the carport and even park more in the back. We do have the ability to box this in and make it a garage, but currently just listed like a carport. And let me jump out here really quick because we are on Victoria Lane. Stop sign up ahead at Mahogany down there. And then down at the end of the road, we've got the high school down there. So you can see the football field. And then up the street, another 5 blocks is going to be the National Forest where you can get in and go hiking. The roof is in excellent shape. Pretty much brand new. And so here is a beautiful covered, nice finish work. This is like a fire retardant exterior. And let's go. Okay, so here we are. Coming in at the entry, beautiful, heavy duty, like a emerald in color wood door with like a little, it's fun. And so here we've got this kind of larger kind of concrete tile at the entryway. I'm gonna kind of just pan around a little bit. Downstairs we have 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and then upstairs we've got 2 bedrooms and another bath, and then kind of like a spare bedroom too. Here we do have a stopper for the door coming wide open, but it's gonna hit that first. So kind of an entryway right here. And then we've got the back of the fireplace. This is floated in like a concrete back here. Kind of looking outside. We do have upgraded dual pane windows and a nice little gaming area right here. I like that they have the tile right at the entry, just because when you're coming in, you're taking off your skis, snowboard, boots, wet things. It all stays on the tile. And then from there, we go over into this beautiful laminate floor. It's actually a hardwood floor. And then back to the tile again in front of the fireplace. But so downstairs, we've got kitchen, living room, dining room, all kind of together. And then TV off to the right here. But this home has barely been used. So dining room table right here. You can kind of push it into the wall when you're not using it. And then living room with our electric fireplace that will still put off some heat. And then beautiful wood mantle. And the the kitchen. This house is ideal for somebody that loves to cook. A huge kitchen. Lots of storage down below. Nice chairs. The nice overhang right here. And kind of like a white quartz with gold and gray, maybe even like a little silver in there. Updated appliances. And then coming into the kitchen, like look at all this storage. And it's all slow close too. Same countertops all throughout here. And the backsplash is a really fun, kind of like it's a matted, it's almost like a quartz too. Right here we have Thor appliances, 6-burner, pots and pan storage down below. I could live here. Very kind of fun, entertaining house too. That everybody's just down here together in this one room for the most part. Got like a pizza oven down there, microwave, and also matching Thor appliance there as well. More storage. And then coming down, we've got the half bathroom. Sorry. And here, we're gonna go into like a beautiful tile. It almost like really complements the bath or the tile that's in the kitchen on the counters because it's like a reverse. It's kind of that gray with gold and white, which is fun. Nice little sweet sink, still with storage, and the toilet, and a beautiful sage green on the walls. And so this is going to be another entryway. I'm sure you saw it when we were kind of looking down. But if you pulled through, you can just come right in here. Still have that tile on the floor. Take your coat off. Same door. And this one's going to be a lock closet, furnace area. Back here, we've got just kind of like storage under the stairs. I will show you this little area though. Because it's not tiny, but it's there. Iron finishes on the railing. And this is going to be the master downstairs. So as you can see, still the same floors all throughout. We've got the bathroom off to the left over here, access to the backyard. And over here, the closet. In here, we do have a king-size bed. It does have storage in it. It's kind of fun. Check out this walk-in closet. This is definitely made for being able to live here. Most homes up here, they don't have any storage. So it's kind of nice, a little breath of fresh air when you see some that have a lot of storage. So here we are in the bathroom, kind of like frosted glass, gold, brown finishes. We have kind of a concrete tile on the floor. What's really neat is it's kind of, it's got a texture to it. Like you can kind of hear my nails scratching it. But it is beautiful. Very hotel-like, very clean, white with that same backdrop from the kitchen. Beautiful little wood mirrors. Nice white, clean, clean, clean. And I love that it's frosted glass too. So if you're a little insecure, people can't see in. I put the same tile up in my bathroom down in Joshua Tree. So it's like a rigid tile on the walls. And it looks like concrete. It kind of has some veins in it. But we've got these gold fixtures that are beautiful. And then a herringbone concrete-ish gold or gray tile with the drain off to the right. And I love that they put stoppers everywhere so that the doors aren't hitting the walls. And here, I'm just gonna kind of poke our head out back because this is gonna be the back of the house. So back here, you got some little party lights. Back here, the concrete ends, and then it's kind of just desert-scaped back here. So one thing that you could do is put like a little hot tub back here if you wanted to. We have nice fencing on this side. The AC unit is outside, as well as the furnace as well. And even like look at the finish work up above the balcony. It's kind of rare to see it finished like that. Very good craftsmanship all throughout. And then we're gonna go up the stairs. Just kind of checking out, showing you all the headers throughout. Very good sized stairs, like my foot fits completely on here. And we have a wall with that paneling to make it feel like it's from Big Bear. I love all the use of blank white space throughout the house too. We have dual heating units and AC units, one on each floor. And so upstairs we've got bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, and then spare room. So let's just kind of go right and stay right. So same fixtures as downstairs, same tile, toilet, and that frosted glass. Here we've got a little bit of a different, we do have that same backsplash, different mirrors, same lighting, but I love these concrete bowls. Those are nice. And then up here, we've got the black fixtures too. A good little window that's also gonna show you the roof, being a 40-year roof. And then here is bathroom number 2. So we've got an oversized black tile, blank tile on one wall, and then a textured gray one on another. And then this very Venetian, beautiful flooring on the ground. Really great. And then they kind of have this that kind of brings it all together. You know, the gold, the white, the gray, and the black back here. And then we're gonna go into bedroom number 2. This one gonna be room enough for 1, 2, 3, 4 easily with no trundle beds. Bunk bed fits in here nicely without feeling too crowded. And then we've got closets off to the side with more built-ins as well. So everyone has a nice closet. And these are little bifold ones, but they also have magnetic to close it. Boom. And you can even barely tell that it's there. And we're gonna go to bedroom number 3. A queen size bed. Good lighting, everything's white. Plumbed for a TV up top. Same closets with the built-ins. I love it. I mean, really, like, not even a scuff on the wall in this home. It has just been finished and just been listed. Out here, we have those same iron railings. Neighbors are all in good shape, keep things really nice. This one would be an excellent vacation rental too, just with the size of it alone and the looks of it. And then here is, I mean, you could make this into a 4th bedroom. You could make it into an office if you were to work from home. You could make it into an office if it was an Airbnb. You could also make it into like a kid's, living room space would be another ideal spot for this if you were going to rent it out short term. But you also have exterior back here that you can see. So each one has its own little porch. Beautiful pine tree in the yard as well. So proximity to places, you're looking at about like 10 minutes to the lake, maybe 12 minutes to the ski slopes, maybe 13, 14 to the village, 8, 9 minutes to the grocery stores. And this one just hitting the market for $599. Let me know what you think. I love it. I'll fight you for it. Bye.